everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delene and I'm going to be talking about a purse that I'm going to be using today. It is called the Rockstud Medium Quilted Leather Chain Bag. I think this purse is really pretty. It's unique, I think, compared to a lot of the other purses that I have. So let's see here. Here we go. I think it is such a pretty bag. The color is, I don't know how to pronounce it, Poudre or P-O-U-D-R-E. I think that's the color. It has a nudish pink color, and I do like that. This part of the purse is not my favorite, so a lot of times I will just remove this piece. I'll use it sometimes, but majority of the times it's off. So I'll just keep that to the side, and I usually carry my bag this way. I thought this pom-pom looks really pretty with it because the fact that it has the same colors in there, and I use my pom-poms and my charms all the time. I just think it's great. So the measurements on this bag is 9.5, 6.5, and on the bottom it's 3 3/4. I know this bag is different measurements from a lot of the Rockstud purses. I don't know why, but when I purchased it and I looked it up online, I noticed the measurements were different from other ones. But this is the medium size, and the gold on this is not like a real bright gold. It's not rose gold, but it has a very, it's nice, and it's kind of toned down gold. And I don't know, I think it's really pretty. Now, if I wanted to, I can remove the chain on this bag and use this bag like a top handle if I wanted to, and that's fine. I think it looks pretty that way if I use this strap or the other strap, one or the other. I don't quite like it. I just don't like this thing hanging on it when I have the other strap on there. So let me show you here. So I can carry it like this as well. So I thought that was really cute. Now the studs are all the way around my Valentino bag, even on the bottom. I have not had any problems with this bag. I don't have any scuffing. I don't have any color transfers or anything like that. It doesn't have any marks on the gold either. Now I've left the little plastic on here, and it's been sticking on there for quite a while. It's been a long time and it hasn't fallen off, thank goodness. Now with this bag, if you open it, you will see markings on your leather here because of the studs, but I don't mind that. That's expected. So, and I fit quite a bit in here. So let me go ahead and show you what I have in this bag. So there you go. And it looks like I can fit a lot more, as you can see. I'm carrying my little puppy wallet, which I love this thing. I just think it's so cute. So there you go. My 6-ring key holder, my gum, and I am carrying my little pochette. I have so much in here. I have 3 lipsticks in here. I have other credit cards and gift cards in here. I have 2 concealers. I have a little perfume in here, and then I have this itty bitty hand cream that I carry in my little pochette. It's nice and handy, you know, instead of carrying a big lotion. And I got a little hair thing to put into my hair if I want to pin it up to keep my things out of place, out of my face. So that is what I'm carrying in my bag. So now that it's empty, let me show you what it looks like inside my Valentino bag. And as you can see, it has that classic red that a lot of the Valentinos have, especially on their shoes. See? And the inside is pretty much clean, because usually when I put stuff in there, they're in a pochette, or you know, they're in something else to keep my purse organized. So there's a zipper pocket here, and then also I got 2 more pockets here. So I guess if I wanted to minimize more, I can put my lipsticks in here without carrying the pochette. So I thought that was nice. And I just close it up just like this. Let me go ahead and put my straps on, and I'll show you what my beautiful purse looks like on and how I normally carry it. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll show you. Move my chair. So here we go. This is how I usually carry my purse. I thought that was really pretty. Let me go ahead and take the pom-pom off. I don't always put a pom-pom on this purse because I think the beauty of this purse is so pretty. I don't want to distract it. I carry my bag like this. And of course you can wear it crossbody if you like, which I really don't do that, because when it swings you can actually feel the studs moving around on you, and I just don't like it. I just feel like it's going to get ruined, and I don't have the need to carry this that way. So, okay, and then of course, once in a while, I'll carry it just like this, which I think is so cute. This purse is amazing. It is versatile, and I do love that because you can carry it in different ways. Now, it does not fit over my shoulder, so this is not a shoulder bag with this handle anyways. And I think the chain, look at the chain on this. It is just so pretty. And it's not very heavy. It's not a very heavy chain, so this purse is not one of those purses that you carry and you're like, oh my goodness, why did I buy this? This is so heavy. So let me show you what this purse looks like without this handle over here. I just don't think that handle's the prettiest with both the straps on anyways. So this is how I carry the purse. I think it's so pretty. I love it. I've thought about, or I've wanted this Chanel purse for so long in this color. But once I saw this one a while ago, I thought this one was gorgeous, and I just decided to get this instead. Obviously, you know, it's a little bit cheaper than the Chanel, so it worked out. So there you go. And this top here, now that I'm standing up, let me go ahead and show you. It is a ALC, I think that's the brand. It's from Saks. It's a really, really pretty top. I love it. It's very feminine. I mean, if you look at it close up, it is just so pretty. I love it. I love the detail. I love how it's high and low. And I'm wearing jeans from American Eagle. Now, I would say American Eagle is my favorite jeans, and then and Taylor Loft, I guess. I'm not really sure. That's just the jeans that I have. So, anyways, there you go. I guess I'm done with my video. Let me know what you guys think about my gorgeous, gorgeous purse. The wear, like I said, is amazing. I think I had it. I'm not really sure how long I've had it. A year? 8 months, 9 months, 10. You know, I'm not really sure. I don't know where my receipt is. But anyways, I guess that's about it. I have to go again. I'm in another rush. And I will talk to you guys another day. And God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.